Hello dear students, welcome back to another session. Today in this session we discuss class 6 mathematics chapter integer advanced level questions. We already completed the basic and standard level questions. So if you are not see the session, then you can go to playlist or click on I button. So let us start the session. First question, question number 1. Find the sum of the greatest negative integer. Okay. We know that greatest negative integer is minus 1, and the smallest positive integer is plus 1, and the sum of these is equal to 0. Yes or no? Means minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now next question, which integer added to minus 4, okay, then it will be give the integer 5. The answer is plus 9, because when we add, here is different sign. So 9 minus 4, that is 5, and big number is plus. Okay. Or how to solve? Now you can 5 minus 4, or you can subtract from this add. So that is minus plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. Now next question, write the additive inverse. Okay, first we solve, that is minus plus absolute value is 5, then this additive inverse is minus 5. So answer is minus 5. In which direction should we move from minus 6? Here is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, then minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Here is 1, 2, 3, dot dot. Okay. Now, in which direction we move from minus 6 to reach minus 1? So here is minus 6 and here is minus 1. We move which direction? Now the direction is forward, or we can say that east direction, okay, or forward. Now we move in forward direction to reach minus 1. Okay. Now next question, question number 5. Sum of two integer is 48. Okay, write down. So sum of two integer is equal to 48, and 1 is equal to minus 25, and other is we subtract. So other integer is equal to 48 minus then the 1, that is minus 25. So here is minus and minus sign, so converted it will be plus, then 25. Now add 8 plus 5, 13. 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. The answer is plus 73, and the other integer is plus 73. Clear? Now next question, question number 6. The sum of two negative integer is always a negative integer. Okay. Then comment and justify. Yes. Suppose two negative integers are minus 3 and minus 5. Okay. And the sum is minus 3 plus minus 5. Here is same sign. Same sign means we add 5, 3, 8 and put the same sign, and it also a negative integer. Clear? Now next question, question number 7. Calculate. Okay. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 up to 19 plus 19 minus 20. Okay. This is very important question. How to solve? Now first 1 minus 2, when we solve, then the result is minus 1. Yes or no? Because different sign. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. Big number sign is minus. Okay. Similarly, here is also minus 1. Now again here is also minus 1. Dot dot dot. It is also minus 1. Means how many minus 1s are there? Now here there are the 20 number. When we solve the two number, the result is minus 1. Means we arrange 2 numbers and the result is -1. Yes or no? So that is 10 numbers are there or 10 minus 1s are there. So we can write -10. Okay, because here is -1, here is also -1, here is also -1. How many times of -1s are there? Not 10 times, because there are the 20 number and we are by 2 arranging the 2 number, that's why the 10 numbers. So there are the 10 minus 1s are there, that's why the answer is -10. Means when we add -1 into 10 times, the answer is -10. How -10? No, because when we add same sign means put the same sign and add the number. Okay, clear? Now next question. Simplify and write the absolute value of the result obtained. Okay, -13 -17, then square bracket, plus -22 -40, sorry, -40, then again square bracket. Okay, first solve, that is same sign means we add, that is 7 3 10 0 carry 1 30, so -30, plus here is now minus plus, yes or no? So different sign, how to solve? Now we subtract, that is 8, then 3 2 minus 1, that is 18, big number is plus, so plus. Again here is different sign, yes or no? So different sign means we subtract, 0 8 2, then 2 1 1, big number is minus, so answer is -12. And what is the absolute value of -12? Now absolute value of -12 is only 12. Now next question number 9. 2 plus -2 plus 2 plus -2 plus 2 plus -2 dot dot. How many times? Now in question number I, 140 times. Okay, suppose I have 6 times. Suppose 2, then -2, then +2, then -2, then +2, 1 2 3 4 5, then -2. Means when we have even number of 2's are there, then we cancel. Suppose +2 -2 equal to 0, then again +2 -2 equal to 0, and again +2 -2 is equal to 0. Means when even number, the answer will be always 0. Means here the I number is, the answer is equal to 0. When it added up to 140, 140 is even number, the answer will be 0. If the odd number, means the answer is +2. How? Suppose I have 3 times. Suppose 2, then -2, then +2. So +2 -2 cancel and the remaining is 2. Suppose I have 2 is 5 times, means 2 plus -2 plus 2, then -2, then +2, then plus minus cancel, the remaining is +2. Means when the number is odd, then the result must be equal to +2, and when the number of the 2's are odd numbers or even number, the result is always 0. Okay, now next question, question number 10. A flower seller gained 5 rupees per red rose sold. Means when he sell, he gain on a red rose is equal to ₹5. Okay, 1 red rose, and he lost on 1 yellow rose is equal to ₹2. Then if his flower seller sell 250 red rose, then how many he gain? Now he gain on 250 red rose is equal to 5 into 250. Yes or no? So answer is 5 0 ja 0, 25, 5 ja 125. So answer is 1250. Means he gained when he sold 250 red roses, then he gained rupees 1250 rupees. Okay, now he lost on 320 yellow roses. Then he lost 2 into 320, that is 640, that is 640. Then overally he gained, because overally find the gain. So gain per day is equal to 1250 minus 640, because this is minus. So now 000, then 541, 1266 means 610 rupees he gained per day. Okay, now B number. If the number of the roses sold is 12, okay, 12 rose color sold color suppose, then how many will gain? Now 12 into 5, that is 60 rupees. Okay, now how many yellow roses should he sell to have neither gain or losses? Okay, means he must be he losses 2 means he must be sell 30 yellow roses, because 60 into 30, that is 30 into 2 equal to 60, means 60 loss and 60 gain, that is no loss and no gain, right? Understand? Now means he must be, he should sell 30 yellow roses, okay, yellow roses to have neither gain nor loss. Understand? Because when we sell 12 roses, red roses, he gains 60 rupees. Then the question goes, how many yellow roses should he sell to have neither gain or loss? Must be sell 30, because one yellow roses losses is 2 rupees. Clear? So completed. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे देन वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करने भूलिबनी. Till then, thank you.